Hi guys, good day. Welcome again to my YouTube channel May Fine Art. And today's episode, I will draw here roses using this Faber Castell colors. This polychromos. So first, I want to share to you guys about this very nice Faber Castell polychromos color pencil. This is since 1761. Their company is one of the finest artists quality color pencil, and it is founded as long ago as 1761, and the traditional Faber-Castell company produced artist materials of an unsurpassed quality to satisfy the highest demands. For decades, these Faber-Castell color pencils and crayons have been part of the standard equipment of architects, illustrators, and artists of all kinds. So in birth 1761, guys, that's the place of the, I mean, the Faber-Castell company originated in Germany. So this is a German brand. So this is one of my favorite brand that I use for my tutorials for drawing. So guys, I will draw here roses or some beautiful flowers. So I will start with their center. Now just doing some shading. You know what, guys? Actually, it's still very early here, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. A little, I don't need to do anything today. It's a vacation week for my children, and they're still sleeping. So I was lying in bed, and I cannot really stop thinking about my work. So I said I need to do things that will make me more happy and more concentrated on things and forget about, what happened in my work. So I decided to draw again. It's a way for me to channel those things that I love, to make more productive with the things that pass by every time. And I am the kind of person who can it's a struggle for me to let go of things or bad things. So I need something to release that, to forget it. And it's a very effective way for me. I don't know, for the other people, of course, they have the other ways, right? To do some artwork, to forget, to be more productive. Because some things in the world you can never change. And what you can only change, guys, is how you react to it. Either you will always be bombarded with it every day, with the past, or what happened with the past, or what. So it's not worth it, guys. So I hope that you also have some other very good ways to enjoy, at the same time to learn, and like being on YouTube, right? Giving tutorial, or just doing some vlogging. I think it's a very nice Yeah, you can do a lot actually than just dwelling into your, you know, frustrations or problems in life. There will always be problems in life. What we need to do is sometimes focus on, you know, other ways to solve it or to forget it, because it's not so healthy always dwelling to those things that can never be changed, right? In my work, I'm usually exposed to more toxic cases, so I need to unwind. And I really miss doing art. It's been a while, right? So here I'm drawing another kind of flower, just a simple flower. And then this one, I will make some like that shading. Mhm. Then pink roses. So guys, for those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have an Instagram account and also Facebook account. I'm also accepting some commission work. If you will check my other videos, I'm also doing some oil painting. So that's how you shade. I don't know. I really love roses, guys. One of my favorite, and very easy to draw also. Like that. So I'm just shading, guys. I like pink flowers. They're so, I like to draw with that. There. And then I will put some green leaves. Then I wanna add some blue background. Yeah. So guys, that's my roses. I hope that you like this video, guys, on how I draw these roses here. And for those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can always drop by some comments. And I will surely take time to check it. And for those who want to be an exclusive member of my membership here in YouTube, where every level have its own advantage and benefits, like special tutorials as requested by my member, specifically for my member, you can always check on my membership prices. So I hope, guys, that you will subscribe to my channel and check all the updates. Thank you so much. Bye.